Hello you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ishneet Kaur and I am a professional makeup artist. Now when I say professional, I mean that I do this for a living. I have shot for a couple of movie promos as well. I have shot for Netflix. I have done the Dasri promo, Dhamaka promo, Squid Games. I have even shot for Modern Love, which airs on Amazon Prime. I've done a couple of promo videos for them as well. Recently, I got the opportunity to do makeup for Shankar Mahadevan, which was amazing. Not to mention, I have even shot for Boost with a couple of IPL cricketers, which again was a really fun experience. Now, I will not take too much time introducing myself, but before we start, for the people new here, if you are interested in beauty content, lifestyle content and skincare content, or if you just like hanging out with me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So recently I decided to pamper myself and take a day off. So I booked myself into a 5-star hotel, which would be the Sofitel in BKC. So the check-in process over here was really convenient. They did not take more than a couple of minutes to hand me over my key. The reason why I'm saying this is because my experience at the Taj Santa Cruz was literally the opposite. They usually take a minimum of 2 hours to hand you over the keys, and you have to literally be behind them that excuse me, it's been 1 hour, it's been 1.5 hours, it's been 2 hours, and post that, if you're lucky, you'll get it in 2 hours, or maybe then I don't know when you will get your keys. So yeah, the process was really easy. The staff was really courteous. They handed me over the keys. They gave me all the details and everything regarding the properties and the timings of the breakfast, and if I require anything, who and where to contact and stuff. And next, what I know is that I am opening the door to my room.
So this is my room. I've just checked in and I am dead tired, so I am going to take a nap. I was actually quite disappointed with the view. Like, what the hell is this? And apparently all their rooms have the same view. So that's the entrance, and the bed of course is messy because I slept in. But I'm finding this room too small. That is your TV area, and then here is your tea station, and they have 2 cups and a pot, and they have like a couple of packets of Nescafe and tea and stuff like that. The tea kancho tea bags basically, which I absolutely love. This is one of my favorite ones. They have a study table as well in case you want to connect to work or something. There's the minibar, there's some alcohol, some chocolates. Then there are these eye masks that I just bought and I kept it inside for it to cool. I even bought these sheet masks. Alright, I'm sorry, I got distracted and I forgot entirely about the room tour. And yeah, I made myself some tea and I got comfortable. That's the pot. Then we have the shower area, of course, with towels. We have a shower, we have a hand shower, and we have a sitting area with my toiletries. And this part is completely a mess, but yeah.
So the lady at the counter asked me if I want an upgrade, and of course I had to pay a little more, but that would include a room which was 1 level higher. It would include a high tea, which is from 3 to 5. It would even include snacks with alcohol, which is from 5:30 to 7:30. I said yes, why not, and I took the upgrade. Honestly, I wasn't expecting anything much because my experience at Marriott was like really bad. They just had like 2 non-veg starters and 2 veg starters, and their drinks were like highly diluted and the options were very disappointing. So I really wasn't expecting much.
So I skipped the high tea, but I was like, let me just check out the snacks. So I'm getting ready for that. This is literally like my easiest routine that I always do. I start with the cleanser. I use my Cetaphil cleanser. Then I go in with my Pixie Glow Tonic. Then I use a Cetaphil moisturizer again. For makeup, I like to cover up my under eyes, so I use a color corrector and a concealer. Then I like to go in with my foundation, dab, 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 set it all with powder. Lastly, I just use some blush and some lip tint. And here we are all set. I just need to wear my shoes and I'm ready to leave. Weirdly, for the first time in my life, I got ready before time. So the snacks start at 5:30 and I got ready by like around 5 o'clock. So I thought, let me just go and chill near the poolside. It is 5:30 and I'm here and I'm actually really hungry. And then I see this spread. Oh my god. Oh my god. Love the cheese, love the meat, and who doesn't like olives, right? The drinks were actually well made and they were tasty. And it was actually really smooth, so it was fun. And to top it off, they had some amazing desserts. They even had some cupcakes, they had some tarts. Oh god, it was really good.
I was so shocked to see their spread. Oh my god, it was amazing. And the drinks, they were not even diluted. Like I think 3 drinks, and I'm like, oh my god. All in all, my experience over here was like really amazing. The staff was really good, the food was amazing, and the beds were really comfortable. If in case you're planning to stay here, it is an ideal location as well. It is close to the domestic and international airport. It is close to north and south of Mumbai. Ola and Uber are easily available. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys have liked my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you soon.